Hi, what's up Cardano holders? Today I have very special update for all Cardano holder. So must watch this video my brother, just 2 minute video but very important for all holders. My brother, the update is very special because my brother and the current condition is very critical now in last 24 hour, last 1 hour. The price is very badly fails down. So therefore my brother, this update is very important for all of you. My brother, in this video I will also predicate this coin and I will share my opinion my brother. I will share my personal experience to what's going to be next, and can there is a chance to they will hit my brothers 2 USD dollar again now. Yes, absolutely my brother, everything I will share with details now. So let's get start this brand video, but kindly before I get start video I have one request: to subscribe this channel and press bell icon for more this type informative videos. This time as you can see here my brother, the last 1 year chart I already opened at, and if we predicate this chart my brother for long time investor, so this troll my friend, as it's a completely sure my brothers to upcoming time the price will be increasing. Everybody know this, to after a fails every coin will pumps up. So this is absolutely my brother for a possible to upcoming time they will take a very long jump now. And my brother, especially after my friends, you can see here July the price is starting increasing, and absolutely my friends going to the moon now. So therefore this is for a long term investor my friends. Congratulations to an upcoming time Cardano will moving upward. If you have any plan to invest for a long time more, so I think 5 years, 4 years, 3 years, so I think Cardano is going to be very good now, one of the stable coin. Kindly invest now, I hope they will give you a profit. All right, this is for short term investor my brother. If we just only check out the last 1 month chart, then definitely my friend we will understand to upcoming time can they will moving upward or not. So as you can see here, this time the Cardano last 1 month chart is on the screen, and this is absolutely gonna be positive now. So that's clear my brothers, to upcoming time they will also moving upward, and you can see here completely the direction is moving in upward direction. So this is sure my 100% my friend, I am sure my brothers, so they will moving upward now. So hope you understand. As you can see here, and every six my friend, as you can see here, every month they will give you a 6% profit. So I think this is not a less profit. Absolutely this is very good profit now, and because this is one of the stable, so therefore the profit is very low my brother, but this is absolutely my brother possible in every month they will give you 6% profit. So I hope my brother in upcoming time, just in only 1 to 2 months my friends, they will take to they will give you a 2 USD dollar plus price now. So kindly you need to hold and wait for a good time. I hope they will make you millionaire. See you next time holder. Please like video and subscribe channel.